Go.
Come on, climb up on the bed. I thought you were going to show me.
Climb up. How did you climb up? Remember last time? All by yourself?
Mommy.
Keep trying.
You have to keep going. Don't give up. Keep going. Wow! Wow! You're such a big girl.
Thank you.
You're like Dora the Explorer.
Now how do you get down? Do you know how to get down?
Mommy. Daddy, I want to get down, Daddy.
All right.
Help you.
All right, come on.
Try all by yourself.
Can you do it all by yourself?
Turn around, look. Go and climb down backwards. There you go. And climb down gently. Slowly, okay? Slowly.
Mommy. Oops.
Oops.
Daddy, help. Daddy, help.
Okay, bye.
I'm gonna climb over. So, here.
Whoa. Whoa. All right, good job. Miro, sit. What's going on? What are you doing?
What's going on? Daddy, help you. Daddy.
Bam.